Hey, it's Kilobyte here. You got a old Ford truck and the mirror just wants to flop over as you're driving or shutting the door. Well, good news. It's an easy fix. All you need is this, or your own. So there are two screws right here. Just tip it up. Tighten it, don't over tighten it. If you tighten it too much, that's probably not quite enough. Snug them up until it's tight enough to hold in place, but not so tight that it won't move. Then you're gonna have to adjust them. It's on the passenger side. Well, you know how that is. You may have to have somebody help you. Anyway, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.